guys, it's Miku, and before we start this comic dub that this is my first time doing, don't hate on me, I did my best on it. This comic dub's creator today, go check her out on Instagram. It is blossom_the_fox, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Bye! Come on, Cream, join us! I'm quite fine here, Tails. Don't worry. I thought you know that isn't gonna convince me. Why don't you want to join? I know you can swim. I'm just not in the mood, Tails. I'm sorry. I'm just so insecure, and I changed dramatically during the years. Shy never talked so insecure about myself in general. It's okay to feel insecure, Cream. All you just need to do is get out of your comfort zone. How else are you supposed to learn? Maybe he's right. Now get your butt out of here. What? Miles? All in all, it was a fun beach trip that day.